Okay, today for math, we're going to be describing shapes in the environment. Your environment is the world around you, whether it's your home or your school. First, we're going to watch a video.
What objects do you see in the classroom?
Okay, so the environment that we're talking about in this picture is the classroom. What objects do you see in the classroom? I see a clock, a blackboard, a tabletop, a basketball, and a tissue box.
This classroom has a clock, a blackboard, table, a ball, and a tissue box. Which objects have flat shapes?
Okay, of all these objects, which of these objects are flat? The clock is flat, the blackboard is flat, and the top of the table is flat. Flat means it's level or smooth. It has no bumps.
The clock, blackboard, and tabletop have flat shapes. Which objects have solid shapes?
Which objects are solid shapes? They can be long or wide or tall. The basketball is a solid shape, and the tissue box is a solid shape.
The ball and tissue box have solid shapes. You can see the objects using the names of shapes. What shape can you use to describe the clock?
Let's look at this clock. The clock is round, and it has no corners and no sides, but it's also flat. What shape do you think the clock is? That's right, the clock is a circle. Let's try it.
Find a shape that can describe each of the objects in the classroom. Drag the shape onto the object.
So here we have some shapes. We have a circle, a rectangle, a sphere, and a cube. So what we need to do is to drag the shape onto the object that matches it. So we said that the clock was a circle. So we will drag the shape and see if it fits. It fits. What shape is the blackboard? I think it's a rectangle. Definitely fits. What shape is the basketball? I think it's a sphere. What shape is the tissue box? It's a cube.
You can use a circle to describe the clock. What shape can you use to describe the blackboard? You can use a rectangle to describe the blackboard. What shape can you use to describe the ball?
What shape can you use to describe the ball? The ball has no curves and no corners, but it's not flat, so it can't be a circle. What shape is it?
You can use a sphere to describe the ball. What shape can you use to describe the tissue box? You can use a cube to describe the tissue box.
Now you know how to describe shapes in the environment.
Great job. So today when you complete your interactive workbook page, you'll be completing page 717. Please make sure that you read the directions at the bottom. You are going to see a picture of an environment. At the bottom, it will give you directions on what colors to color in each shape. So it may say to color the squares blue, and the cylinders yellow, and the circles red. So please make sure you read the directions at the bottom. If you have any questions or comments, or need any assistance from your teacher, please feel free to reach out.